Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is my 2015 BMW R9T. Now, it's been a while since I've done any unboxing videos or install videos, but I have something really cool I want to check out. So we're finally going to be getting rid of this whole rear end section. We're going to replace it with something a lot more sleek, and I think you guys will like it. Let's check it out. Alright, so we're going to be replacing the rear end with this product here. So this is an exclusive tail tidy for BMW R9T Roadster models by the Motographe. The Motographe is a custom design company based in France, where they make premium custom products for BMW and Royal Enfield motorcycles. And full disclosure, this is not a paid unboxing or review, nor was this product sent to me for free. Now let's open the box and check it out. So this tail tidy is made out of 70-75 aero grade aluminum, and what do those numbers mean? I don't know, but it sounds pretty cool when you. And this rear cowl is a UV, temperature, and impact resistant ABS, and it feels really sturdy. There are a few things to consider when purchasing the Motographe tail tidy, and one of the things is that the tail only works for the Roadster models. So the BMW R9T Roadster models, it won't fit any of the Racer or Scrambler editions. That's because the Roadster model has a removable subframe in the back, and that's where the tail tidy would bolt up to on the back of the bike. So normally you would have the passenger pegs right here and right here, so those are removed when you install this tail tidy. And the last thing you have to consider before buying this tail tidy is it's not a simple plug and play job. It is pretty complex in terms of wiring, so let me go ahead and show you that. So here's what the wiring looks like. You got the left turn signal and brake light here, the right turn signal and brake light there, and then the rear brake light here. So there are 3 individual light bulbs. You have to wire them all together and then merge them into a harness. So as you can see, it's a bit complicated if you don't know anything about wiring, which is why I had my friend AJ help me wire this for me.